So right now you guys can see I am in Google Trends and I just simply type hair growth because this is a really big problem nowadays. I just simply type hair growth and you guys can see there is a lot of people are searching for hair growth. Like there is a really big demand in the market because nowadays a lot of people are facing the problem of hair loss. So that's why I just simply type hair growth and you guys can see like there is a lot of people are searching for hair growth, and this is a consistent trend. So it means like in past 12 months, like evergreen niche, like people are searching for hair growth all the time. Like if you scroll down in United States, like all the cities and all the country people are searching for hair growth. So it means there is a really big problem. So this problem not only in United States, if you go to the worldwide, this is the very big problem, or you call it a really big demand for hair growth. So you guys can find worldwide this is a really big problem. So it means there's a really big problem, there's a really big demand in the market. So that's why this is a good for affiliate marketers, right? So what we're gonna do is we just simply go to Digistore24 and you guys can see this. So we just simply go to the marketplace and what we're gonna do, you guys can see product name. So I'm gonna type it like for example hair and simply click enter, and you guys can find 3 products. So we're gonna promote the number 1 product, this one like Divine Locks. This product gives you like 60% commission and almost $70 to $75 average sales. So this is a really good amount of sales. And wait a minute, so you guys can see the cart conversion is also really good, like 17% cart conversion. So we're gonna promote this offer, but if you scroll down, so this is again second product. This is not a hair related product, this is a business related product. You guys can see hairline business, and if you scroll down, so this is like $7 commission. So that's why we're gonna go the first product. This is a supplement, we're gonna promote this one. So let's see the sales page, and we just simply came back and get our affiliate link. Okay, so this is the sales page. You guys can see there is no sales video, so this is a TCL, means text sales page. So you guys can see here, so this is a sales page, but this sales page converts really well. So we're gonna promote this, and a lot of females I think buy this kind of offers. You guys can see here, mom, you've ruined my wedding. So what we're gonna do, simply go back to Digistore24, simply click promote and get your affiliate link, and make sure save this affiliate link in your notepad, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with that affiliate link. Okay, so we go back to the sales page and we need this link, right? We need this sales page link. So you guys just simply copy that link and then go to the next site. It's called web to pdf convert.com, and you guys just simply paste that link here and simply click enter. It will take like few seconds, and what this website does, this website literally convert the whole sales page into the PDF, or you call it ebook. They will create a whole ebook for you through that sales page, and you guys can see this is done. You guys simply click this. You guys can see here web to PDF, web to image, to HTML to PDF, HTML to image. So we just simply go to web to PDF and simply click download. It will take like few seconds and it will be downloaded in your PC. Okay, so right now you guys can see this PDF is downloaded successfully in our PC. So what is our next step? Next step is we go to this website. It's called sajda.com. so a lot of you know about sajda.com. so what we're gonna do is we just simply upload that PDF in sajda.com. so simply click edit PDF and upload PDF from your PC. So right now you guys can see I upload that PDF from my PC, and you guys can see this sales page literally converted in the whole ebook. You guys can see this looks really good right now. This looks pretty good, you can see right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna simply create our small call to actions. Scroll down at the end, simply click on text and click here, and we just simply add our call to actions. So sorry, give me a second. So I'm gonna type like get a hair growth formula bottle. So this is a call to action. You guys can also add different call to action. So I'm gonna go with like get a hair growth formula bottle, and I'm gonna like small the size, like almost 10 looks good. And you guys can also change the color, so black looks good. You guys can also change the font. I'm gonna go with like for example latte. So simply grab this and I'm gonna add it here. Like, this is our call to action: get a hair growth formula bottle. And now I'm gonna show you one tricky thing which is really important, so make sure you guys must pay close attention. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, you guys go to the new tab, and what we're gonna do here is, you guys just simply paste your affiliate link here. So right now you guys can see this is my Digistore24 affiliate link, Digistore slash, this is a product number, and this is my ID number. So you guys just simply enter your affiliate link in a new tab, and you guys can see this is my affiliate link. This sales page open through my affiliate link. It means if anybody buys with this link, I am getting a commissions, right? So once you open through your affiliate link, then you guys just simply scroll all the way down, and you guys can see this product have almost 3 packages right now. You guys can see like 1 month, 6 months, and 3 months supply. So what are we gonna do? You guys just simply click any of this. Like, I'm gonna click add to cart, and what are we gonna do? We need this link. This is a checkout page link, and you guys make sure check one more thing, scroll down, and if anybody comes through your affiliate link, your username will show here. You guys can see my username is Hustlers, is right now showing here. So what are we gonna do? So this is like, if anybody buys right now from this page, I am getting commission, right? So what are we gonna do? I am just simply copy that link, checkout page link. Once you copy this, simply go back to sajda.com and click on links, and you guys just simply paste that link here. Simply copy and paste that checkout page link here, and simply click enter. And what now what happened is, like, if anybody clicks this, they directly go to the checkout page, and if they buy, we get a commission. And make sure you guys must add all the call to action, add your call to action in all your ebook. Okay, so scroll all the way down, and I'm gonna add my call to action in whole ebook, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, so right now you guys can see I added my call to action in whole ebook, and this is the last call to action I am adding in this image. So simply copy and paste my Digistore24 checkout page link, and simply click enter. Once you did this, then scroll all the way up, and you guys just simply click apply changes. So right now you guys can see our ebook is ready to go. So you guys can also change the name. So I'm gonna change the name to like hair growth. Simply click OK, and simply click download this ebook in your PC. So simply click download. It will take like few seconds, and it will be downloaded in your PC. Okay, so right now you guys can see that ebook is downloaded successfully. What is our next step? Next step is, we guys simply go to Google and simply type Google Drive. Once you type Google Drives, you guys can see this first link. Simply open that link in a new tab, and simply go to this page. So once you go to this page looks like this, like drive.google.com, and this is my Google Drive. So what we're gonna do here, you guys, is simply click new, and you guys can see upload file. So we just simply upload that ebook from our Google Drive right now. So simply upload from your PC. So right now you guys can see it starts to uploading. It will take like few seconds. Once it's uploaded, then I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so right now you guys can see uploaded finished, and it's uploaded successfully. So you guys just simply cross this, and you guys can see this is our PDF, or you call it ebook, is uploaded. You guys just simply click this, click 2 times, and you guys can see this 3 dots. Simply click this, simply click share, and you guys can see simply click on here, and we just simply restrict it to anyone with that link, and simply copy that link and simply click done. So once you did this, so right now you guys go to this website. It's called tinyurl, because this link does not looks like really good. You guys can see this link is literally does not looks like really good, like drive.google.com, and there's a lot of stuff. So that's why we're gonna short our link with tinyurl. So simply click paste your link and make a tinyurl, and simply copy that link. And our next step is, we're gonna promote that ebook with that website. Is called Facebook. So a lot of you know about facebook.com, but I'm gonna show you one more thing is really important. So simply click search and type hair growth, and you guys can see the groups. Simply click on the groups. So in these groups, why I show you this simple and basic strategy, because there is a very few people are promoting hair growth products in Facebook with free traffic method, and there is a really big demand demand right now in the market for hair growth. So that's why I show you really simple and basic technique, but I'm gonna show you one more really tricky thing that really helps you a lot. So you guys can also search for hair loss if you want. You guys can also promote in hair loss groups, but right now I'm promoting in hair growth groups, right? So you guys can see I am joined a lot of groups. You guys must join a lot of groups. Once you join a lot of groups, you guys can see this is a group like 1.2 million members in this group. Like there's a really big demand for hair growth. I told you, like natural hair growth, like latest hairstyles and makeup. So it means majority of females you guys can find in these groups, right? So let's open this group in a new tab and let's see. So if you scroll down, so this is a group, and I'm gonna show you one more thing. You guys just see like 1.1k likes and 3.70k comments. Scroll down, 356 likes, 164 comments, like 3.6k likes. If you scroll down, you guys can find a lot of likes. Like these kind of groups are really engaging groups, but the main thing is these groups does not allow you to promote like a lot of affiliate products. For that, I'm gonna show you a trick. You guys just simply click this, and these first, once you create your post, first your post is go for approval. Once your post is approved, you guys literally start getting a lot of traffic, because this kind of groups does not allow everybody to post content. So that's why once your post is approved, you will start getting like hundreds and thousands of traffic. So what is our first step? I'm going to show you how we're going to create a post for approved our ad. Okay, so you guys just simply click image and upload your image first. So you guys can see I upload this before and after hair growth image. You guys can see I got this image from Google. Once you upload that image, then scroll up. Now is the main thing happens. We're gonna add our ad copy, or you call it create a small story, and that story must be really realistic story. Okay, so I'm gonna add in a second. So you can see I added small ad copy right here, and this is tried and tested ad copy, and a lot of admins approved my post because of this ad copy. But if a lot of people are start using that ad copy, admins will never approve your post. So make sure you guys must create your own ad copy. So what I written it, you guys can see. So guys, I recover my hairs in just 13 weeks with one simple technique and one simple product that you can find in any home. If any of you are facing hair loss problem, just comment hair loss and I will help you. I am not cost you any money because I understand the pain of hair loss. So just comment and I will help you. So this ad copy works really well. So what we're gonna do is, once your admins approve your ad, a lot of people are comment you like hair loss, and what you guys can do, you guys just reply them with your ebook link. Okay, so once you start getting once your ad is approved, you will start getting like hundreds and thousands of comments. This works for me, and this will literally works for you once your post is approved. So once your post is ready to go, you guys just simply click post, and right now you guys can see this will go for approval right here. So it will go for approval. Once admins approve your post, you will start getting a lot of traffic once your post is approved. So go back to the groups, and you guys must post the same ad in all these groups. You guys can see there's a lot of groups related to hair loss, and there's a really big demand for hair growth, and there's a really low competition. There is a very few people are promoting hair loss products in Facebook. Okay.